Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do an antutu benchmark test in the Mi Note 10 Lite device, as you can see here clearly. So it is a Mi Note 10 Lite, and I'll be running the antutu benchmark test in the Mi Note 10 Lite. So which has a Snapdragon 730G processor, and let's check how much score we can get in this device. And before starting the video, don't forget to check the links in description if you want to know what live wallpaper I'm using, and also you can find plenty of useful playlist links in description as well. So even I'll be doing the videos on Redmi Note 9 as well, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, friends. This will be very useful to you all in case if you're planning to buy any mobiles. And you can also find the sample images of the Mi Note 10 Lite in my Instagram and even in the Telegram as well, so try to join in the both so you can find very good useful sample images. So let me show you the about phone. As you can see here, so Mi Note 10 Lite, and which has the 8GB variant and 128GB model. Let me open the antutu benchmark application here, and definitely friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also like the video. And because very soon I'll be posting plenty of videos and comparison reviews with other smartphones. So in the background you can see the Redmi Note 9 Pro and Poco X2 is here, and I'll be doing plenty of multitasking and camera comparison with other smartphones. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Definitely I'll be posting plenty of videos in the upcoming days. So even with the Redmi Note 9 as well, I'll be doing the unboxing, and I'll be doing plenty of videos on the Note 9 as well. So stay tuned for those videos as well. And let's check how much is the antutu score we can get in this mobile in the Mi Note 10 Lite. And finally the benchmark has been completed, and here you can see the score 2,73,000 score. So let me show you even the temperature, how much it got increased. So 2.5 degrees it got increased. You can clearly see the temperature rise, and even the 2% of battery got decreased during the antutu benchmark test. So that's a good thing. So usually if the battery is decreased, I think 3%, then it would be considered like good battery backup. So this is what I usually check sometimes when I'm doing antutu benchmark test. So when you can see the temperature as well, it's not that too much increased. There is only the increase of 2.5 degrees. So at the moment, so this is the overall antutu benchmark score for the Snapdragon 730G processor. So definitely I'll be doing in-depth reviews on this Snapdragon 730G processor and Mi Note 10 Lite as well. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check out the links in description. And even I'll be doing comparison videos with the other smartphones as well, display comparison and other videos. And stay tuned by always following in my Instagram and Telegram group. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.